This is Chris from Munch, and welcome to Fast Food Fights. This show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like their retail products, all whilst reducing the cost. Imagine ham, cheese and tomato, jaffle pressed on white bread with mayo and zesty spices. Pork's blue judiciously sub-gay and surprisingly similar to a pizza flavour. While you're watching me cook, you should smash me button and jingle me jongleberries. To be honest, I'm pleasantly surprised that something so cheap could taste so good. Magnificently prepared, and for $3.50, who's moaning? Except your mum. So cut your bread roll, spoonful of mayo, tomato, ham, salt, and pepper. Chuck it under your George for me. Oregano on top and melt till the gooey goodness comes sizzly spewing out. Not bad for a couple of bucks. This has been Chris from Munch, and I'll see you next Thursday.